Hey guys, I'm here at Intramuros in Manila. There's the Manila Cathedral behind me. As you can see, it's raining like crazy. It's been raining like this 3 months since I got here. Yeah, it's miserable. I'm just going to see a couple sights here. I went inside the cathedral. I'm going to go check out the fort, and then I think I'm going to head back. It's the rain is just so much. I'm completely drenched. So, very nice cathedral. This area is really nice, but it's just so miserable walking around in the rain like this. I guess this is what I get for coming to Manila during the rainy season. It's early September right now, and my umbrella is about the flimsiest thing in the world. Just flipped inside out on me. So yeah, there's the cathedral. Luckily my camera and my phone are waterproof, so I don't have to worry too much about the rain, but yeah. Let's carry on. Alright you guys, now I'm going to check out Fort Santiago. This is going to be my last stop today, I think. The ticket costs 75 pesos, which is like, I don't know, like $1.25, $1.40, something like that. I really don't know anything about this place. I'm just going to go check it out. Still raining like crazy. I'm literally just wading right now. It's probably about 2.5 inches of water, almost covering my feet. This was like the absolute worst day I could have picked for this. I thought this was like a guard or something when I first walked by it. I actually love the rain, so I don't mind this that much. I don't really like getting this drenched, but it's not so bad. It's kind of a nice atmosphere, and there are very few people here. No crowds. Go check out this thing. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like my lens is a little wet. Try and clean that up. Well, it stopped raining for about 30 seconds, then it picked up again. This would have been a really nice spot to walk around if the weather was halfway decent. But yeah, it's still drizzling. Glasses got a little wet, it looks like. Rain finally tapered off a bit. Now I'm heading back to the metro station. There's a nice big city park here in central Manila. As you can see, the rain picked up again. Still here in the park. Just walked through the Chinese garden. Pretty cool. It's actually starting to get a little bit chilly. I'm completely drenched, so I'm heading back to the metro. I think it's probably about a 15 to 20 minute walk from here. I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm just gonna head back to Makati and go home. It's getting worse. The wind's picking up. So hopefully you've gotten a little taste of central Manila in this video. I didn't see everything I wanted to see, but the weather is just not cooperating today, as you can see. I think my umbrella may have just broken. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. There's literally a wave in the street. There are waves in the street. Probably not the healthiest thing to do, but can't see any way around it.